What's kicking, Shark Mates? Vina Vixen and Slim Shetty.
What's up, guys?
Here in the Wrapsesh lab. This week we're going to be showcasing a pretty cool project for me.
For you?
Yeah. Let me explain why. Attitude. It's not very often that we get to do like feminine projects, which is curious that I say that because we literally have 2 pink wrap jobs in here right now. We got a pink Tesla and then this bike right here. Yeah. So it's an older couple that actually rides this bike around. This is like a Harley Trike Bagger bike, which is—
Harley Trike Bagger bike?
It's really big. I mean, we've done baggers before, but this will be our first like trike like this. There's a lot to do on it. It's pretty much priced out like a car.
Yeah, this is probably gonna take longer than a car.
We gotta take all of this stuff off. Yeah. And what we're doing is we're using the Hexis glitter Indian pink and the glitter Byzantine purple. So Super Sparkle purple, and Super Sparkle pink.
You just also can't say yours.
Trouble with my eyes. Anyways, but they're letting me do kind of a freestyle like flame kind of knifeless design, so a majority of it's going to be the purple with the pink flames on it. So I love when we get to do like freestyle knifeless. Flames is one of the funner ones to do. It's just really easy to create those lines with that knifeless tape.
Flames are fun.
So this one's going to be a fun project. It's not often we get to do pink and getting to do flames. Like, I'm really excited.
Most of the bikes we do, I would say, are probably girls.
No, it's fair. It's 50-50. Lately, it's been a lot of girls.
It's been a lot of girls, yeah.
But it's not often that I get to do super glitter.
Super glitter.
And also flames. So I'm really stoked for this. I mean, God bless her husband for, riding around with her on this. It's freaking awesome.
I'd ride that.
So, yeah, let's dive into it. Get scientific.
Yeah?
Because it's science bitch. Thank you guys so much for watching our episode today on this Harley Trike Bagger baggity bike.
Harley Trike Bagger bike?
Are you speaking English?
Did you?
Did you? I spoke better English than you did.
You kind of went off there.
No, you did. You added extra syllables. Thank you guys so much for watching our episode on this Harley Trike Bagger bike. Really complex one, really fun for us doing that freestyle knifeless design. We also topped everything off with some clear bra as well as a ceramic coating for that extra protection. If you guys want a bike or helmet wrap, we specialize in going above and beyond. We didn't even plan that, it just happened. We love doing those super high coverage overwrapping projects that nobody else likes to do, so please reach out to us. We get bike parts and helmets from all over the place all the time.
Oh, we always have bike parts.
Dude, it is the summer of bikes right now.
Well, that's when nobody's riding.
Yeah,
so true. We're working on bikes all the time. Yeah. But this was definitely a challenge.
This was hard.
It was hard.
That glitter film is hard too. It's very thick and it can turn out matte.
You have to really, like with this film, you have to really seam it out when you normally wouldn't have to, just because the metallic in it is so thick that if you overstretch it, it literally gets rough and matte.
When in doubt, seam it out.
So we had to kind of go a little crazy with it with the seams, but we hid them very well and it looks great.
Indeed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you dig the Wrapsesh vibe, and we will see you guys soon. Don't take my sign off. That's my sign off. And that's how the cookie crumbles.